Have some fun with me. Woo! Suzanne, hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine, I'm fine.
Good. What are we doing today?
We go skydiving.
Yeah, that's awesome. This is your first time?
Yes, it's
Heck
my
yeah.
first time.
Now, what's the occasion today? Why are we doing this?
Oh, it's only for having a good time.
Having a good time. Absolutely. And I can almost guarantee you you're going to have a good time up there, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, you ready for this?
Yes, I am.
Heck yeah. Give me a high five.
Go.
Boom. Let's go fly. Ah! Suzanne! How was that?
Great.
Yeah? You think you'd ever do that again?
Maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, even with my friend Lauren over here. Yeah? Yeah! Heck yeah! Well, very nice job. Thank you so much for bringing me along. And I will see you next time in the sky. Yeah!